by the Gatorade bottles, like the first step. Could be better, so I adjusted it.
You want to go a little deeper?
Yeah, that was the first.
Okay. Let him cook. Nice. B.A.
So then they're all set at that.
Awesome.
The only thing that does come into play, like the thickness and the width of the board do vary.
Yeah, but I think we're pretty good.
Go deeper.
No, I know. No, I think that's great. Look at that. All right, stair detail here. Let me show you what we're doing. Let me show you over here. He's loud. All right, so because of this project being down to an existing grade, we're meeting up with this existing concrete slab here. We can't really dictate our height like we like to. So instead of picking a height like a 5.5 or say a 6-inch riser, where we would typically do 5.5-inch board, 1/2-inch gap, and it would line up with all of our risers, and we would just have that clean look right around. We can't do that here because all of the stairs are slightly different heights. So we just decided to go with 5.5-inch board, 1/4-inch gap between everything, and you can see it leads to us notching on the sides of our risers. That doesn't look great when it goes right into that, so let's go back over here. Let me show you what we did. So on top of it, we have this skirting that covers this up, so you don't see where they meet, and it just kind of looks like everything's the same all the way around. It's a good way to break it up, and what we're gonna do on the sides is, you can see right here, we've got this, boom. We're gonna fold this, and we're gonna do our waterfall step detail down the sides, so you won't see any cut edges, and it's just a good way to make this look kind of like the detail we typically do, but if you have this all notched around your risers, it's gonna look pretty weird, so yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. We got 28 of these to do, and making out pretty good. Now, you know we always get a ton of questions on these.
We do?
We do. So why don't you give people a little
rundown?
Give them a little rundown of your setup here, because I taught you, now you can teach them.
So I made a jig here. So I just have a nice flat stock of 2x material. I have some ripped decking material because I want the same thickness as what I'm routing. And I have 2 other pieces on top, which is the width of my router plate. And then I have a stop block. So I know all my routes are gonna be the same distance.
It's a good route to go.
And that's pretty much it. And then it's just repeat, repeat, repeat. Grab a deck board. Slide it in there. Send these down tight. Clamp it for extra measure and have at it.
Couple things I know we're gonna get. You're gonna kill the router like that, you know, do a couple passes with it. The hardest thing to do is get the depth set just right. So if you wanna set it once, and yeah, you know, you gotta rip through some material. It's gonna bog down a little bit, but we've been doing it a while. This old Porter cable, which is Anthony's, it's worked out great for us. So
I'm not gonna entertain people that comment about that.
I'll entertain everyone as much as you want. That's what I'm here for.
Because that just means you don't know what you're talking about.
So let's show right here. See right there, we've got probably about 1/16 or so left over in the board, and that seems to be the best amount of material left. It's not going to crack, but you're not going to have a huge round over. It's just a really nice, clean, tight fold, and we like to use that router. We'll have the bit in the descriptions in our Amazon store, so check it out up there.
Yeah, link deco is always up top.
Well, no, it's going to be down in the description.
Yeah, but you want to shoot, like, if you're going to show it, like, in the video, you can have a bit, like, right here.
I'll put the bit here, but the bit's on my finger, but the link's in the description. So, he's going to rip all these, rip through them, zip them, route them, and then we'll fold them. And we'll show you that.
So,
all right, now we've got this routed out. Again, check out, we've got just probably a little more than a 1/16 of material left there. What we're gonna do, heat this bad boy up, show you how to fold it. So you wanna make sure that you're not forcing it, because that's gonna cause some discoloration. You just wanna get it nice and pliable. So we'll heat it up real good here. Huh? Nice and slow. It's kind of hot out today. 96 degrees. I think it's like 105. Humidity. It's not the heat, it's the humidity that gets you. Finally some good news, right? Oh, it's shooting the heat right back in my face, so hot. Ah! I just want to take it nice and slow. Nice and slow. So we got a lot on the back side. We got a little bit on the top side. Oh, you can see it starting to move there. See it starting to move. But we just want to keep it nice and slow. Don't force it. Don't you go forcing it. There we go. And that right there is how you get a Waterfall folded deck board. It's beautiful. It's a thing of real beauty. Hey, check it out. Thanks so much, man.
You did a good job.
Thank you so much. I do appreciate that. That's it. It's getting really hot out. And I know probably get some other questions. Why don't you glue the backside of it? Because there's no point. It's not like it's going to explode out like this once you screw it down. And actually, we melted it real good. It's stuck together really nicely. Kind of melts back together. So this one's locked in for justice. Well, not right now because it's actually just sitting right here, but it will be. I'll take a look at it. Well, no, and then changing the deck a little bit. Yeah, a bunch of stuff. Yeah, it could be cool. Possibly doing a revamp on a project we did, what, 4 years ago? Adding some stuff to it. Could be exciting. Everything's exciting. Wow, look at this.
Brown fantasy.
No, it's Taj Mahal, my brother.
Ah.
Come on. This guy doesn't know his tops or his bottoms. Ryan, what do we got here?
Taj Mahal leather.
Leather finish.
Sir, waterfall edges.
Oh yeah.
Sides.
Look at this. That's gonna be beautiful. How's it looking? Template was right?
Yeah, we're good to go.
Cool.
Yep.
Grill's gonna go right here. We got a side burner action happening. Got a whole bunch of nice stuff happening here. So pretty excited. The waterfall edges are gonna be primo, and it's gonna be sick. All right, I'm gonna take care of, do you want me to do this hatch? This hatch?
No, I'd rather you do that one.
Okay. I'll take care of this hatch. I don't think we told people. We're gonna be having an access hatch here with some pistons that freaking, I think we did talk about that. I remember talking about the pistons. And we were talking about the Detroit Pistons. But anyway, there is an egress window here, so we'll be taking care of that. But Ant-Man's going on vacation next week.
Peace.
So we gotta make sure that, you know, we keep
New York
it.
City, 7 days.
It's not where he's going.
I'm not gonna tell you where I'm going.
Good call. Secretive, I love it. We're really starting to turn a corner here. We finally got steps coming out of the house. We've got a lot of trim around the hot tub done. We've got fireplace ready to be cement boarded and then tiled. We're gonna have somebody else doing that. And then we have, boom, our columns starting to come together. It's really starting to take shape. And the next one, we're gonna be finishing up the roof up top. So we'll show you all those flashing details and how we're gonna waterproof this in for justice. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned. And until next time, this has been Premier Outdoor Living.